Signs to recognize an unfaithful woman. We constantly believe that men are the ones who tend more to infidelity. However, studies reveal that women are the same or sometimes more unfaithful than men. That is why today we will give some tips to the boys to know if their girl is being unfaithful. 1. Instant friends. When a girl is being unfaithful, she needs alibis that you cannot verify. This is how instant friends are born. That is, she will suddenly tell you, "I went out with a girl, you don't know her, she is a childhood friend." And believe me, you will never get to know these friends because they don't exist. 2. Mobile. She answers calls away from you, writes messages in the bathroom and even changed the password to access her mobile. 3. Social networks. She removes you from her social networks or makes others in which you are not included, also changes her passwords and gets nervous if you approach her computer. 4. Changes in intimacy. Here are two options. The first is that she doesn't want to have more contact with you, claiming 1,000 excuses, and the other is that she starts doing things that you didn't know she knew. There are endless signals and these will depend on the change in couple interaction, but it does not mean that the ones we mentioned are universal. If you want to learn more about the signs to recognize an unfaithful woman, click or tap the link on or below this video to download my free ebook, Secrets Most Men Will Never Learn About Women.